we've got another appetizer coming up, easy peasy. And so I've taken the Fifendekel pie pastry and rolled it into a square or a rectangle, depending on what size your cookie sheet is. And what you're going to do is you are going to just score it into the sizes that you would want to have. What we are making is feta mushroom bite. I don't know what you want to call it, but so you, depending what size you want to have people actually have to handle this, that's the size that you're going to score your pastry in. Take a fork and just prick the pieces. And we're going to put these in the oven for about 15 minutes to bake, 350 degrees. What you're going to find is after about, I would say 10 minutes, you want to go into the oven and you want to prick them again, just so that they don't puff up, because you will get puffiness. Then you're going to prepare your filling. Well, that's cutting. We are using cremini mushrooms. We prefer cremini because
they have a nice flavor.
They do. So you can wash them, or you can actually even peel mushrooms if you are so inclined to be wanting to clean them that way. That's your choice. I've washed these. We're just going to chop them into slices. I don't know. I'm not using this knife, but okay. We're doing it. So you're going to chop them into slices. You're going to grab your frying pan, put some butter into the frying pan, and you are going to throw in, very simply, throw in your mushrooms. And the other thing that you want is garlic. Either you can chop a garlic, you can get jarlic. I would like to call it jarlic. And as much as you would like, I like this to be tasty, so quite a bit to do that. And you're going to fry that just until they are soft. That's what you're looking for, is to have your mushrooms soft. And we just happen to have some ready here. So these have been fried with butter and with garlic. Then we also just happen to have some of our pastry done, and that's why you'll notice it's pricked. And I probably could have done another prick right here while it's still warm. You can do those things, and it just takes the air out of it. All you're going to do is put this onto your plate, and you can use whatever cheese you would like. I don't like goat cheese. It's probably the recommended cheese for this, but I prefer feta over goat cheese.
Feta is better for Jackie.
Feta is better for Jackie, yes. And so all you're going to do is you're going to put your feta cheese on here, crumble it up. Use your knife, use your fingers.
I love feta and I love goat. It'll be delicious.
Well, then I think you could use any other cheese too. You're not limited by that. So you put your cheese on, and then you're just going to take your mushrooms and you're going to put some mushroom on there.
Beautiful.
Easy. And then what I would suggest you do is you grab some parsley and you're going to chop it up. You're just going to take your knife and chop. Oh, and look, we already got some ready for us. Somebody chopped it for us. And you just sprinkle that on the top. Now, what I would do is I would put these back on the cookie sheet and just pop them into the oven for a few minutes, not maybe 2 minutes, just so the cheese kind of gets a chance to settle in. And that's all that there is to it.